Hey, what's up?
So I would like to talk about our next ideas for our channel. So here was what I was thinking. A tutorial on Google AI Studio. That video has not really done that much. There's not many videos on that on YouTube. Like a real breakdown. Also, I was thinking about what are AI credits and having a video explaining like what are AI credits, how are they used, how will they be used in the future, and also how can we correlate this to my topic of my video about teaching, neurodivergence and people with learning disabilities about these things.
Those are awesome ideas. A detailed tutorial on Google AI Studio could definitely fill a gap since there aren't many comprehensive breakdowns out there. You could walk viewers through the interface, explain key features, and show practical use cases. Explaining AI credits is also a great concept. You could break down what they are, how they're earned or used, and why they matter for the future of AI tools. This could be super relevant for anyone looking to understand the economics of AI platforms. To tie it all back to your main theme, empowering neurodivergent individuals and those with learning disabilities, you could focus on how these tools can make learning and creating more accessible. For example, you can highlight how Google AI Studio's features can help simplify complex tasks, or how understanding AI credits can empower people to make the most of available resources. This way, you're not only providing valuable information, but also showing how these tools can be game changers for your audience. What do you think? Any particular angle or detail you want to dive deeper into?
Well, maybe I was thinking about correlating the AI credits and the AI Studio into one video. Or maybe is that not a good idea? Should I talk about it separately? What do you think?
Combining AI credits and Google AI Studio into one video could work well if there's a clear connection between the two topics. For instance, you could frame the video around how understanding AI credits can help users maximize their projects in Google AI Studio. This approach could provide a comprehensive look at how the entire ecosystem works together, making it more practical and insightful for your audience. However, if the link between the two topics isn't strong, it might be better to keep them separate. This way, each video can dive deeply into its respective topic, providing focused, in-depth content that's easier to follow and digest. If you do combine them, you could structure the video like this. Introduction, briefly explain what AI credits are and why they matter. Google AI Studio, show how these credits are used within the platform and how they can benefit users, especially those with learning differences. Practical application, demonstrate a real-world scenario where understanding AI credits enhances the use of Google AI Studio, making it more approachable for neurodivergent individuals. If that sounds like a compelling narrative, it could definitely be a strong video. If not, splitting them into two focused videos can allow for more in-depth exploration of each topic.
I think I'm gonna make them separate videos. I think that would be easier to understand. So great, awesome, thank you. So, I'm gonna incorporate this conversation in a video. So the way I like to do it is I like to have to talk to you and brainstorm about a video and include that in my video, and then the next video will be the video of the idea that we were talking about. What do you think about that?
I think that's a fantastic approach. Including the brainstorming session with me in your video not only shows your creative process, but also makes your content feel more genuine and relatable. It gives your audience a behind-the-scenes look at how you come up with ideas and demonstrates the thought process behind your content. Plus, it builds anticipation for the next video where viewers can see the final product of your brainstorming session. It's a great way to engage your audience and make them feel like they're part of your creative journey. Overall, it's a unique and engaging format that can help build a strong connection with your audience.
Do you think people would want to watch our conversation?
Absolutely. People love seeing the behind-the-scenes process and the real, unfiltered brainstorming that goes into creating content. It adds a personal touch and makes your viewers feel like they're part of the journey, which can help build a stronger connection with your audience. Your viewers might find it inspiring to see how ideas are developed and how you tackle challenges or shape concepts. It also shows your authenticity and thought process, which many viewers appreciate. In short, sharing these conversations can make your channel feel more interactive, relatable, and engaging, encouraging viewers to come back for more.
All right, guys, awesome. So, yeah, this will be in our next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye, everyone. Talk to you later.